Satnam, Mataji here from the Kundalini Sanctuary, coming to you with an update regarding the Illuminated Life Teachers Training that's starting to fill. I am intentionally holding a limited amount of spaces for this training registration as I have a clear, precise vision on what it is that I want us to co-create together. An experiential immersion and training with the technology Kundalini Yoga. I am so deeply grateful to be the sacred space holder and spiritual teacher guide for this course and all of you joining with me. We are awakening to our destiny as creative Aquarians, people of now and the future. In this course, you're going to receive yogic tools to create a genuine lifestyle guidance, an anchoring foundation for unlimited opportunity of your unique creative expression and compassionate action. We will go on this journey together, step by step, gathering, deepening our understanding of why and how with these turning points of comprehension and consciousness, all very specifically laid out to have an experiential course that is all about the three-facet structure of body, mind, and spirit from the lens of the vehicle modality of Kundalini Yoga's technology. Whomever takes this training will have a deeply transformative experience. You will process what needs to be processed and come to understand who you really are. Just be you. Forge an everlasting, loving relationship with yourself and have a heightened sense of body-mind connection, all while expanding your consciousness to deeply feel a connection to all things and Source. Your creative sense of your authentic self will emerge within this rebirthing process. You can look online at the KundaliniSanctuary.com under our Teachers Training page, and all details, our schedule is laid out there. It is 7 weekends over 5 months. You can also call us at 702-998-3117. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to see that you've signed up. I hope to see you soon. If you're feeling the tiniest little bit of curiosity or interest, this is a call to action by your soul. Pay attention. Give us a call. Satnam.